Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to the square root of number 3 sine t, because if I put this one gone here, we have number 3 sine t square, number 3, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square. Next, we have the s equals to the square root of number 3 cosine t dt. First derivative of sine t, we have cosine t. So I will put this one gone here and here. The s we change by this one. So this one we have 3 sine t square. Number 3, we can do about factorization. This one we change by cosine t square. The square root of this one, we have the square root of number 3 cosine t. Now we need to simplify this one and this one. The square root of number 3 I will put outside. Cosine t, we have cosine t square. Next, cosine t square we change by 1 minus sine t square. So this one divide by this one, and this one divide by this one. So we have cosecant of t minus sine t. Because 1 over sine t, we have cosecant of t in here. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t. Negative sine t, we have positive cosine t. And then we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 3. And we got about t equals to arc sine of s over the square root of number 3. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.